Hello everyone and welcome to the app I have created on Bubble called MecGo. So the idea behind the app is mechanics on the go. So obviously during the everyday life and especially during the pandemic right now, it's really difficult to get a lot of services, especially with your car, considering that if the car breaks down, sometimes it's impossible or really dangerous to actually drive it to the mechanic. So therefore I created a platform where mechanics and users are able to view listings and book the mechanic as well, and in order to be able to use their services. So first we're going to take a look at the main page, and here we can see all of the mechanics that are currently having their listings displayed, and you can see their first name, their last name, a profile photo, their certification, as well as their about page, and they also can specify which services they're able to offer. So first and foremost, we're gonna log in, and this is the sign up bubble that pops up, and if you are already a user, you can click login and it will redirect you to another pop-up. So first we're going to actually create an account. So we're going to sign up, and I'm just going to use my email right here, and then we're going to create a password. So the password is case sensitive, meaning that you actually need to have 6 letters, and it has to include a capital letter and a number. So if we were to type in a word such as hey and try to join, the bubble will let us know that it's actually an invalid password. So in this case, we're going to create a password ENTI407, and we're going to do the same thing here. So create a password ENTI407, and we're going to join now. Now that we have joined, we're actually able to access the other aspects of the application. Specifically, we're able to book users, and we're able to learn more about the mechanics and create listings. So first, we're going to go through the main page and look at the mechanics that have already had their listings. So for example, let's take a look at Veronica Bond, and in order to learn more about her, you can just click Learn More button, which redirects you to another page which displays her information. So it has her current position, her certification, as well as a little bit about her and her picture. So in this case, we can click the book button if we immediately want to book her, and this button actually directly correlates with this button right here. So on the app, you can learn more right away about the mechanic, or if you already know you like their services, you can book them directly from the main page. So let's say we would like to use the services of Veronica and we would like to book her. So once we book Veronica, we can see that her listing has disappeared. And if we go to the main dashboard, we're able to see the user dashboard. So the user dashboard displays the bookings that we have signed up for, and it has Veronica Bond, about her, and it has the status inquiry. So when you click on a booking, the mechanic actually has to accept the booking by clicking available or clicking yes, and while they haven't accepted yet, the status is changed to inquiry. And let's say we no longer want to use Veronica's services because she didn't really specify how she would like to offer us her services. So if we would not want to do that, we can cancel, and we can see that on the main page, Veronica has once again appeared because she is now available since nobody is currently inquiring about her services. So in this case, if we take a look, we have Zachary right here, and Zachary is actually available to chat as well as be in person. So that's perfect, and we're going to click on book, and Zachary has disappeared from our main page, and as you can see, there was a little pop-up right here that said that the inquiry has been sent to the mechanic, and we can see it right here. If we book Elena, the booking inquiry has been sent to the mechanic. So that's perfect. Now if we go to our dashboard, we can see both of their services are now in our main user dashboard, and we can cancel them or wait for them to accept our inquiry. So In case that a user is also a mechanic or they would like to list their services as a mechanic on the app, they are able to create a new listing. So by clicking this button, it actually pulls up a sign up page, and in here we would like to introduce a new mechanic to our team. So let's call him Tim, and his last name is going to be Davids. Tim Davids, and his current position, he's going to be a freelance mechanic. It's going to be a freelance mechanic, and his certification is ASE Masters. And about him, we're just going to click and create a profile picture for him right here. So this is going to be this gentleman right here, and that's Tim Davids. And about him is, hi there, my name is Tim, and I am here to help over the chat, over the phone, or in person with any problems you have. Awesome. And once we create add listing, we can see that Tim has now appeared underneath the mechanics dashboard. So now, if we were Tim, we would see that our listing has appeared, and this also gives us an ability to edit, turn it off or on. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually see that Tim is now part of our mechanics list that is appearing on the first page. So that's great. And then we're going to be able to edit the listing. So let's say we're actually, as Tim, we're not happy with the fact that we forgot to mention that our current position is freelance, but we not only have the ASE Masters, but we also have a manufacturing certification. We're going to do manufacturing certification, and we're going to say that we're an experienced mechanic. We're just going to change that as well. An experienced mechanic, available through video chat and in person. Awesome. And we're going to click and upload a picture for Tim as well. And now that we click edit listing, we'll be able to see that our about has changed. And if we go onto the main page, we are also able to see that now we changed our certifications as well. Perfect. And for example, let's say Tim is really slammed with work and he actually is not able to check any messages or actually help out people at the moment. So we are able to turn the status off. So now Tim is no longer displayed in our mechanics list. So his services are not for booking. And once he changes his mind or he's ready to accept new offers, he can click this button on and he will be able to once again be a part of our team. So this is the general concept behind MecGo, and I hope that you really enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun creating it for you, and thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!